Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for joining me again in this video and supporting me. It means the world to me. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get very nice professional looking nails all at the comfort of your own home. Please do not mind the current state of my nails as they are prepped for what we're about to do. So the secret on getting beautiful professional looking nails are these full covered tips. Yeah, that's it. So we're going to make our own custom press on nails, and I think this is an amazing way to get very professional looking nails on yourself, and it's a good way to grow out your natural nails as well, hence why I am not going to be cutting my nails down at all. Press on nails will help your natural nails grow, so that is why I am now going to be doing press-ons on myself. So I actually do make press-ons for my clients, so I already have every single tool I need. But these are tips that I got from Amazon, super cheap. I think all of the sizes from 0 to 9 were, I think, about $11 to $15, so very inexpensive. But the ones I'm going to be using are the Apres one, not this one in particular because I don't want square short. I'm going to be using these ones right here, which are natural stiletto in medium. So let's get right into it. So these are stilettos, and I want a coffin shape, so I'm just going to reshape these. All you'll need additional to these are these little stands. You don't need to have them, but they just help a ton. So these are what I bake my custom press on nails on anyways, and they're amazing. And yeah, I'm going to be using gel polishes. You don't have to use gel polishes. You can use regular polish for this as well. So let's just get right into it. So what I'm going to do first is to start off by sizing my nails. When you are sizing your nails, make sure you are sizing them sidewall to sidewall. That's a huge thing in order to make them look nice. Stay tuned until the end of the video, as I am going to be showing you a couple ways of how you can apply your press-on nails and have them last a very long time. So if you're interested in that, you can obviously skip forward, but I would really appreciate it if you waited till the end. After I have them all sized out, I'm just going to grab my nails and I'm just going to place them on these. Alright, so after I have them all sized out, I'm just going to place them on my stand. I am using thumbtack for this, and I am just breaking a little bit of this because I have a small pinky nail. So I'm just going to then place that on here, and as you can see, they are now ready to get painted. I am going to be doing a royal blue set because that's what won on this little poll that I did on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram because I do these polls quite often. So let's get right into it. Alright, so this is what they look like once they're completed. So now let's get onto applying them onto my nails and making these really ugly looking nails look very pretty with these nails that we have just created. Super easy and simple. So let's just get right into it. Alright, like I said in the beginning of the video, I am going to go through 3 different ways you can apply these press-ons. So the first way I'm going to talk about is the hard gel way. This is not the way I'm going to be using today. What you do with this is you apply a layer of this hard gel onto your nails, and then you will also etch up the surface of the press-on nails, and you would cure them, and that way they would be glued onto your nails. The second way, which is the easiest and the most traditional way, is to use some nail glue. And then there are these tabs way. These are the ones I'm going to do today. So this is the route I'm going to take. So let's get into it. Alright, I don't know if you guys can tell, but because of sticking them on with the tabs, they are lifting up on the cuticle, but they are very sturdy. I am going to probably stick them on like this with the stickers right now, but eventually, maybe tomorrow or eventually down the road, I am going to switch over and do the glue option because I feel like that's going to work a lot better. So I don't like how these look, to be honest, so I'm just going to go ahead and glue them on and then I'll be back. Alright, so I've just glued them all on and this is what they look like. I'm super happy with how they turned out, and this is how you get professional looking nails at home, and you get the freedom of doing them on a little stand. That way you can do them a lot more easier. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and also please do subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, bye.